Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. And I'm sorry it's been a hot minute since I've uploaded. I did upload a video on Halloween, but I didn't like it, so I've literally just took it down and deleted it, and it'll never see the light of day again. I just struggle when it comes to doing makeup like that. When I first started my channel, I was into it, I was doing it, and I enjoyed doing Halloween tutorials, but I don't know whether it's because of the pandemic and everything, but my flair for it is just literally gone. I love doing natural everyday makeup, glam makeup and stuff like that, so I'll continue to do things like that here on my channel. But I think the creative stuff, I can't do it, guys. I just can't do it. You guys absolutely loved my little haul. I appreciate you so much for the love that you've shown on there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, because quite a lot of you are watching and you've not subscribed, if you hit that subscribe button, it's completely and utterly free and it helps my channel out so much. So if you do like watching my videos but you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please do. Like I say, it's completely free. Hit that notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday. It has been all over the place at the moment. My life is a little bit chaotic in my personal life at the moment. I'm going through quite a lot of changes. Not to obviously say too much, but I have got a family member who is really poorly. So yeah, we're doing a Christmas Day dinner actually at my brother's tomorrow, because we don't know, if you know what I mean, we just don't know. But I don't really obviously want to talk about too much of that on my channel. It is private and I'd like to keep it private. So yeah, there's that going on in my personal life. So my videos have been a little bit chaotic, and a lot of things have been, also other things have been going on in my personal life. But other than that, I'm perfectly fine. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week and a fabulous weekend. It's Saturday. I did film 2 videos today, so in the next coming videos you will see that I just look the same, but you know, it is what it is. I'm trying to cram videos in and get them filmed, and then I've got videos to back me up if I haven't got time to film on those certain days. But if I can, because I'm not working at the moment due to ill health and everything, if I can upload an extra video, or I feel like just uploading another video, I might put that out on a Wednesday. So yeah, there might be 2 videos, but there'll definitely be 1 video every Sunday from now on. Okay guys, I've rambled on for 3 minutes. Let's just see what I got from B&M and Home Bargains. So I'm going to start off with B&M. I've got a hair on my face and it's really annoying me. And yes, I am being lazy bitch again and not taking the nail polish off, because I'm just being a lazy bitch basically. So I will like show you the bits that I got from Home Bargains first. No, I'm going to show you what I got from B&M first, because I only picked up 3 things from there. But yeah, I'm really happy about what I picked up. So the first thing that I picked up from B&M were these 4 tumblers. So they've got like this really nice design on them. I don't know what's happened to all the tumblers in my house. I had loads. Things get smashed and broken quite easily. And I thought, you know what, we need some new tumblers. So these are a set of 4 tumblers, £1 a tumbler because they're £4. Yeah, they seem okay. So hopefully they don't get smashed. I needed some more knives and forks for like Christmas, and every time we go into the drawer, there's never a knife or a fork in there, and I don't bloody know where they're going, to be honest. So I saw this and I picked it up. It's £12.99 and it's Russell Hobbs 16-piece cutlery set. And you also get the caddy, but I never use the caddies anyway, unless I probably put it on the draining board and let them dry and air on that. But other than that, I never normally use the caddies. They're just like in a drawer, because the drawer that we have for all the knives and forks have got a built-in like section part. You don't need to know that really, do you? But yeah, this is for £12.99, and we've got some more knives and forks. Hopefully they don't disappear. I don't know where the bloody hell they go. Oh, this one's bloody heavy. So this one So this one's really heavy. Oh my God. So I picked up a new dinner service because we've had ours now for a good couple of years, and I wanted a really nice dinner service for serving Christmas Day dinner on. And the ones that we've got, they've got chips in it now, and half the bloody plates are missing, and yeah, we're all fighting to get a plate for dinner. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to pick them up. I got my birthday money off my mum, so, you know, what do you buy when you're 40? You buy dinnerware and cutlery by the looks of things. So yeah, this is really, really bloody heavy, but it's got this really lovely design around it, and it's £16. So for 30, I think it's £38, these 3 items, but I really, really needed a new dinner service. So I'm really happy about that. So we'll now go on to Home Bargains. I love Home Bargains. The thing is with Home Bargains, you go in for one thing, you come out with 2 big bags later, and I'm not kidding you. Oh bloody hell, 2 big massive bags later. I picked the big bad boy up for £3.99. Like I say, we go through toilet roll like there's no tomorrow. I don't know how the bloody kids do with it. I think they bloody eat it. This bag first. I know the other bag that I showed you was Aldi, but it is all Home Bargains products in there. It's just a bag for life. So, obviously I bought biscuits because we need more biscuits in this house. So I got the McVitie's Family Circle biscuits. So you get 10 biscuit varieties to enjoy with all the family. And the fat bitch and me will probably eat quite a lot of them all by myself, to be honest, because I do love a good biscuit. I picked up a hair clip. I think the biscuits were £1.99 or £1.49. I bought myself some clippies because I dyed my hair this morning and I couldn't find bloody clips anywhere. I don't know where they bloody go. It's like them hair grips as well, you know, the granny clips that you put in your hair. There you go, hairbands go. Where the hell do they go? Because I buy them, I'll put them on a bloody side, and 2 minutes later they're gone. I'm sure they've got legs, I'm telling you, because they just bloody disappear. So yeah, I bought myself some clips. These were 99p. I'm just chucking it on the bed at this point. I've had enough. I've been bloody up since I think 10 o'clock this morning. Damn yeah, done my eyebrows. I mean, you can tell I've done my eyebrows. They're a bit crazy right now. Done my eyebrows. Then I decided I was going to go into Derby because there's this shop called the Food Warehouse or something. It's supposed to be more cheaper. It's not. It's not at all. It's a bit like Iceland, but there was too many people in there and my social anxiety just hit the roof, and I was like, Orlando, we need to get out of here. I can't cope. I just can't cope with it all. So we went next door and they've got a massive Home Bargains, and holy Jesus, I could have been in there all day. The Christmas aisles. I didn't know they could bring out more Christmas stuff. I mean, they've got 3 aisles in this Home Bargains dedicated to Christmas. And there was Christmas songs playing. I'm not even in the bloody mood. I've not even got over bloody Halloween yet, let alone getting ready for Christmas. So anyway, I'm blabbering. I got this, the Hydration Vitamin E Mask out of start again, Tara. I absolutely love these masks. And I think they're like 89 or 69 pence. Dirt cheap, and I really, really love them. So yeah, there's that. I picked up some more Lenore. This is my favourite one. This is Exotic Bloom Love, and I absolutely bloody love it. It's so nice, and it stays on your clothes for a long time. Oh, it's just bloody gorgeous. Absolutely bloody gorgeous. I've got some Derma V10 micellar water. I think this was 89p. So if you're vegan, you can use this because it's vegan friendly. It removes makeup whilst helping to cleanse, smooth and purify the skin. And yeah, I absolutely love this. I'll use any, to be honest. I'll use Oatmeal. So I think that was 89p. And then I've got some Schwarzkopf heat protectant spray, and I'm going to use this tomorrow before I straighten my hair because I look like Hagrid right now and it's not cute. So yeah, this was $1.99, sorry, this was $1.99. And they don't do any more of the Lee Stafford stuff in Home Bargains anymore. What's that all a bloody about? I was about to go in and buy me blooming hair stuff that I've absolutely loved it, and it makes my hair super soft, especially after I've dyed it, because once I've dyed it, it feels a bit straw-like until I put a hair mask on and use some of my Lee Stafford products. But they haven't got none of my bloody Lee Stafford in there no more, and they haven't even got me bloody Aussie hair stuff either. What's happening? Home Bargains, sort your shit out, because I need my bloody hair stuff. So I've picked up some washing up liquid. This was 69p, I think. So it's just a fresh morning washing up liquid. I picked up 3 of my Imperial Leather shower gels because I absolutely love these. So I picked up Enchanted Escape, which is beautiful. Well, they're all beautiful because I love them all. My Moonlit Skies and my Moroccan Sunset, and they are all like 99p each. I picked up this because Maisie the other day puked up all over the carpet in the living room, and it's left these really horrible like stains on the carpet. I know she can't help it. She was in season, and she just threw up all over the carpet. Tony come in and there was 4 massive piles of doggy sick everywhere. So he had to clean that up when he got home from work, and the stains, we just can't get the stains up. So this is a basically stain remover, and yeah, it cleans up coffee. So what does it claim to do? Deep cleans, high traffic areas, stains and spills vanishes, softens and revives carpet fibres, carpets last longer apparently, cleans rugs, fabrics and upholstery, super fresh fragrance. So basically you just spray it on the area, and I'll be doing that probably in the week, because tomorrow, like I said, I'm going to my brother's for a Christmas Day dinner, and I'll be going here and there all next week. So yeah, at some point, if you guys want to actually see a clean with me, let me know down in the comments, because I'd love to do a clean with me. So yeah, if you'd like to see that, then just comment. I've got some Harpic for the toilet. This is a citrus one. Just keeps your toilet nice and clean, to be honest, and doesn't smell gross. This was 99p. I'm sorry if you can hear fireworks, because ever since fireworks night, everyone around here thinks, oh, we're just going to play fireworks until probably New Year's Eve. Never mind everyone's dogs or animals or anything that are petrified. I mean, Maisie doesn't give 2 shits, to be honest. She just growls and not really bothered. But my mum's dog, she really doesn't like it. She gets anxiety. A couple of my friends' dogs gets really bad anxiety. I just think, just do it on Pacific nights when it's firework night, you know. I don't even like it then, to be honest, but it is what it is, and people are who they are, aren't they? Orlando picked these 2 shampoo and conditioner. So these are the Albatro Blossom, and it's in tea tree, and yeah, he picked those up. He said they smell minty. So I picked up some Pantene. This is 3-in-1. This is the Smooth and Silk, so it's for frizzy dull hair. Do we need to say more? So it's got a shampoo, a conditioner and a treatment all in one. So yeah, it's the XXL rate one as well, and this was £3.49, something like that. Picked up some sponges for Tony to wash the pots with, and these are 49p. I also picked up some Harpic for the toilet to keep it nice and fresh. So this is the Power Plus Citrus Fresh times 10, better than bleach and kills 99% of bacteria on limescale rust removal. I mean, I haven't got limescale or rust on my toilet because that would be disgusting. But yeah, it keeps it nice and squeaky clean. Picked up some disinfectant. I love to have this in a boiling hot water, mop all my floors with it. I've got my beauty room's got wooden floor, my bathroom obviously tiles, The hallway downstairs is tiles and the bathroom, the kitchen is tiles. So I'll put probably 2 or 3 caps of this in boiling water, and I just love the smell of disinfectant around the house. When I was pregnant with O'Hara, I put disinfectant every bloody where. You walked in the house and it just smelled of disinfectant. But no, I'm not pregnant, but I just love the smell of disinfectant. I've got another Morning Fresh. I think these were 1 for 89p or 2 for £1, so I just picked 2 up. Got these carpet Nutrol, I think that's how you say it, for the carpets. It's a bit like Shake and Vac. I wanted Shake and Vac because I love Lily of the Valley. It always reminds me of my grandma and my mum actually when I was younger. But they only had lemon and I can't remember, magnolia, and oh, no thank you very much. This one's the Super Fresh carpet deodorizer. And it makes your carpet smell absolutely bloody gorgeous once you've put it on down your carpets. Because I know we've got a dog, okay, and I don't like that feeling of people coming in and thinking, oh God, this smells like dog in this house. I mean, to me, it doesn't bother me. She's my baby and it doesn't bother me. But, you know, you don't want people coming in your house and thinking, oh my God, this smells like a bloody right dog ass. But yeah, I bought 2 of these. I'm going off on a tangent, but I bought 2 of these, so yeah, makes your carpet smell nice. I bought a Nivea. This is the orange one and it smells absolutely bloody gorgeous. Oh, it smells so fresh and nice. I buy this one because I like it. I like orangey smells. It just smells beautiful. And this is £1.99 for a big massive shower gel, so we're good on shower gels for at least a while. And the last thing is Cif. So these are the Power and Shine multi-wipes and these will be going in the bathroom. So guys, like I say, this is the end of the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you'd like to see a clean with me, vlog videos, what I eat in a day, anything like that. If you want to know, then comment down in that comments below and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see next. And yeah, have a fabulous weekend, whatever you're doing. Stay safe and stay well, and I love you always, and I'll see you in next week's video, guys. Bye guys.